Want to build your own rocket at home? Using just vinegar and baking soda, you can create a powerful chemical reaction that will send a bottle flying. Stay till the end to see how high we can launch it. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your rocket's best height. To make this DIY rocket, you'll need a plastic bottle, 1 liter or 2 liter works best, vinegar for the fuel, baking soda to create the explosive reaction, a cork or bottle cap with a small hole, a funnel for easy pouring, and tissue paper to hold the baking soda. Got everything? Let's build this rocket. First, pour about 1/3 of the bottle full of vinegar. This will act as our liquid fuel. Now, take 2 tablespoons of baking soda and place it in the middle of a tissue paper square. Fold it up like a small packet. This delays the reaction and gives you time to step back before launch. This is the fun part. Drop the baking soda packet into the vinegar, immediately seal the bottle with the cork and place it upside down on the ground. Then, stand back. As the vinegar and baking soda mix, they create carbon dioxide gas. The gas builds up pressure until, boom, the rocket takes off. But why does this work? The secret is a chemical reaction between the vinegar, which is an acid, and the baking soda, a base. This reaction produces carbon dioxide gas. This gas rapidly expands inside the bottle, creating pressure that forces the cork out, just like how real rockets work with fuel and combustion. How high did your rocket fly? Comment below and let me know. If you love crazy science tricks like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next experiment.